Hi guys, so today we're going to Chicago to Color Factory. Are you guys excited?
Yes. And so guys, this Color Factory building just opened last month on the 20th, I guess. Yes.
And yeah, so we're gonna go see what all the hype is about. They had one in New York City and in Houston, Texas. So now they finally open up in Chicago and we finally get to go. You bring your smoochie? Alright guys, I'll see you guys there. Bye. Where are we going?
Color Factory.
Yes. So we parked very near the place.
Brookie here.
Yes. And there's Didi.
Yeah, I have my ticket.
So guys, as we enter the first hallway, they told us to put our information in these iPads, and you just fill out your name and your email, and then they give you a QR code and you just scan them throughout the Color Factory. And they got cameras that'll take pictures for you, and then at the end they will send you all those pictures to your email. That way you can have access to your photos, and you can also print them at the end of your experience. And just in case I didn't tell you guys, this is all free. So getting those pictures sent to your email, it's all free. And right next to the place, they got these very cute macarons coming out of the other side, and they're coming from like a small cute conveyor belt, and these all are like different colors of different flavors and everything. And they have this on the wall, so which mean different colors mean different flavor. My favorite out of all of these are this lychee one right here, the orange one. It tastes really good. And you can eat as much as you want. So guys, they had this little scanner here all throughout this place, and basically they got a camera, and all you gotta, one of these QR codes that they will give you that's attached to your email, all you gotta do is like scan, which I'm not going to do, and then you will go to the angle that they're going to take a picture, and then it will all get sent to your email. So that's really nice.
What? What else? Step into the next room and try out the pop-ups that are in here. You don't have food allergies, right? Yeah. You do have food allergies? Oh wait, no. Alright, so you guys are gonna try out the pop-ups. You're supposed to guess the flavors the pop-ups are. And there's a pen on the table to mark them. So,
I'll grab one.
And when you guys are done, just throw out the candy, please, and the pen, the clip, and these, put them in the counter in the back of that room. Alright. Hello. Hi. Please have a seat where we still. Where do you want to sit? I'll sit next to her. I'm going to sit next to you. Okay, sit down somewhere. Alright, sit down somewhere.
Alright, so this is the first one that I'm gonna try. Is popping candy.
Is that an eraser?
I should actually come and visit this place. They just like open it right next to Skydeck, which I came last time. And it's raining. I hate rains. Oh, look guys, they actually said halal. Ow. So you guys, time for rating. I would say that it's really good. I like so many of the dishes. I like a lot of dishes that I ordered today. I especially love the pho because the beef were like so easy to chew and easy to like tear apart, and it doesn't like stain my mouth or anything like that. Roki, do you like it? Alright guys, how was the food, everyone?
It was good.
You like it, Sumaya?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go back home. But before we go, I hope mom take us to Moti. So guys, we're here at one of my favorite bubble tea store. They even got rolled ice cream. Oh, thank you.
Your outfit is really cute.
Thank you. Thank you. This is one of my favorite thing about this cafe because it'll blink when your stuff is ready.
I think so. How much we got?
Yeah, let's go get it. Oh, that's so good. Thank you.
You started up?
Thank you. So guys, this is what I got for myself. It's a regular house bubble milk tea. And this is a milk cap. And that's Roki's order. It's strawberry and taro. And this is what Didi orders. I don't think she's gonna like it, but it's lemonade. She actually adds tapioca in the bottom. So guys, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And that'll be all for today's vlog. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.